Taco fanatics, you are in luck. I've got the perfect recipe with all your favorite taco flavors for times when you're fresh out of tortillas. And the best part, it's a lot healthier than you think. There are nights where you just want a warm bowl of soup, and the thought of making something that takes a long time leaves you running to the pantry for something less than tasty. Today's taco soup is the ultimate comfort food for those of us that are taco fanatics, and it's much healthier than the traditional creamy versions out there. For this soup, I'm going to use ground beef, but you can use ground turkey or chicken if you want. Most taco soups incorporate the cheese, cream, and sour cream into the soup, but we're lightening it up using those as the end as garnish. So I have some beef cooking in here, and to the beef, I'm going to add some taco seasoning. Drained corn, chilies, salsa, black beans, and beef broth. Let's bring this to a boil and let it simmer for about 10 minutes to heat all the flavors through. Now you could make this vegetarian by omitting the meat and adding 2 additional cans of black beans. Guys, if you could smell this kitchen right now, you'd feel like you're inside of a taco. All right, that's a stretch, but everything taco makes me so happy. And this, my friends, is ready. Let's turn off the heat and ladle some into a bowl. Comfort food right here. Oh, wait up. Let's top this with some shredded cheese, sour cream, and let's give this a try. So good. All the taco flavors right here, and it cooks in less than 20 minutes. For the measurements and recipe details, make sure to click in the description box right below this video, where you'll find a link and the ability to print out the recipe. If you love videos like this one, subscribe to this YouTube channel. A new fun and easy recipe video comes out every single week. See you next time.